Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here today. So here we have a little, I don't know if you call this unboxing, but basically it actually came in a bag that was a little bit messy. And so I opened up the bags and yeah, so we're still gonna open it up and maybe call it an unboxing. But here we have some Coach purses, or one purse that I got, and then I got like a wallet and a little chain and a little coin pouch. So let me try. I have my camera here on this stand, but it's not working too well because I want it to be, obviously I need two hands to work this and it keeps going down, but we're going to try it really quickly. Let me see if it stays. So I'll just try to move this into frame here. And here we have the coin pouch. Yes, I love the cherry, like their little cherry collection. Okay, if you guys notice this, my stand go down a little bit, is because it's not working well. So here, oh, wait a minute. Is this, okay, no. I thought it was defective, but it's not. This is so cute. Now, I didn't get the, like a purse that will match this one exactly. Oops, I'm out of frame. I didn't get it that match, but I actually want to go to the outlets and see. I ordered this right here online. As you guys know, that's why it's an unboxing, or it came, as I told you guys, in a bag. And I think it's so cute. I really like it. I love the cherries. And yeah, I think I want to go to the store and get me a bag that will match this. But for right now, I just got this little coin charm. Is it like a charm? I don't know. I've just started to get into Coach again. So you guys let me know and correct me. What do you call it? Let me know. So there is that. And now we have this wallet. And if I'm not naming these correctly, it's because I just don't know. I just know that this is like their signature cherry. I got this blue wallet and then the coin one. I didn't see one that matched it, but I saw this one. And yeah, I was just online looking at things. Okay, it was a little bit difficult to rip that open. And here we go. This is so pretty. I love it. I've been wanting one of these. I was looking at the pink one as well. And yeah, I've been looking at the pink one. So we will see if I eventually get that one. I gotta rip some of these things off. So there is this wallet. And we'll see if I use this tomorrow. So here, taking out everything here. So there you go. You can put your ID here. I guess, you know, a couple of cards right here, some cash right here, and maybe more credit cards if they don't all fit over here. But here is this one. And okay, why does it have, teach me the ways, my friends. Where do I hang this? Is this like to hang inside of a big bag? I don't really carry big bags. That's why I have a little one here. Maybe I'll end up getting one and hopefully not put a lot of things in it. But like I said, I actually got into smaller bags because my kids, my husband, everybody wants to put stuff in my bag and it gets too heavy. And so that is why I like the smaller bags. The big ones get too heavy. I myself end up putting too many things in there, but maybe eventually I'll try a big bag and see how that works out for me. Now let's open this one up. And I did get a mini Rowan. I do love it. Oh, look at how pretty. Am I in frame? Look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. I have to use this one tomorrow. It's late at night or late afternoon. So I won't be using it today, but I will see if I use it tomorrow. Okay, so I've taken most of the things off. I kind of had to do it off camera because I was having a difficult time, just like I'm having with this here. I was feeling like I need some scissors for some of this stuff. I thought it was easier. I've seen some of these unboxings. You guys out there make it look so easy, and I am having a difficult time here. Okay, I removed most of the trash out of the way, and then we have here some more paper in here. I've seen some, what's in my bag. I've seen one. It's Self-Care Mindy, and I really, I really liked how much she actually put in her small bag. So that is actually something that made me want to get a mini roll, and I can't remember what color, which one she had actually. I don't think it's the exact same one, but if I could find her video, I will link it down below. But I might buy that little thing she puts in here because it doesn't open up as much as I thought. But yeah, I'm still excited. I think it's very, very cute. All for the most part that I need to carry is like a lip gloss and sanitizer, which I could probably hang. Oh, the cherry pocket back holder like over here from Bath and Body Works. And then what else? Yeah, I don't carry a lot in my phone. So there it is. Very cute. I love it. I don't need to carry a lot, as I said, so I feel like I want another small purse that will fit this one here. And let me put this over here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what I got from Coach. And that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little Coach unboxing mini haul here. And until the next one, my friends, I love you guys so much. Please stay blessed. Bye, guys.